Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will tell you how to cancel or refund your Saudi airline tickets. First of all, go to any browser and search Saudi ticket cancel or refund. You will be redirected to their official site and click submit your request. It will redirect to this page. Here you can see you have to enter your ticket number and your last name. So after this, clicking on my new request for form apply, I will have to fill their form for my convenience. This is my ticket number, or this is the verification code that they will send, and I have to enter in my next step. Here you can see I have to enter my verification code here. After this, my request will be applied and I got refunded. You can check your status from right. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.